I'll show you how to remove parental controls on Android. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings, then tap on Family and select Parental Controls. If parental controls are turned on, you may find restrictions on downloading certain apps or games. For example, those meant for users aged 18 or older. Even if you're of age, these controls will stay active until they're turned off. To disable them, you'll be asked to enter the PIN that was set when parental controls were first enabled. If you know the PIN, simply enter it and toggle the controls off. But if you don't remember the PIN, follow these steps to remove them. Exit the Play Store and open your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on App Management, then go to App List. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Show System Apps or Show System Services. This allows you to view all apps, including the Google Play Store. Now, search for Google Play Store, tap on it, and go to Storage. Tap on Clear Data, then select Clear All Data and confirm by tapping OK. Once that's done, reopen the Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, then Family, and finally Parental Controls. You'll see that the controls have been turned off. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.